Hi class, since it's your last day today in advanced algebra, I just wanted to check in and say hello, let you know that I'm thinking about you and that I am so proud of you for how you've worked through this distance learning. I know it's been far from ideal for all of us, but I've been really excited to see how you guys have shown up and done the work that you need to do. Hopefully you were able to take away some good learnings throughout this, and understanding that next year this learning that we've done is going to be critical for your future math. So I'm glad you took it seriously, and I'm glad you worked so hard at it. I appreciate that. I've missed you greatly. I hope you guys are safe and healthy and that your families are finding ways to make it through this very weird time. It's been fun for me when I've asked the extra questions to find out what you're doing. And I've realized I'm doing a lot of the same things as you guys. I know a few of you love to go fishing. I've been doing a lot of fishing with my family. We actually got some baby chicks, so we're going to have chickens. We built a garden. So we're kind of doing all the things that you read about that a lot of people are doing. So trying to find ways to stay busy and active, getting outside to the parks, playing some tennis, but all in a safe social distancing manner. So anyways, I miss you guys. I hope you have a wonderful summer. You guys deserve it. Take some time, get outside, enjoy the beautiful weather in Minnesota, and let's hope that in the fall we are back. And when we do get back to school, make sure you stop by and visit. I will be in my same classroom, E339 next year. I do not teach FST or AP Stats where you guys are heading, so unfortunately I will not see either of or any of you guys, regardless of which class you took, but I know you guys are ready. So work hard today, finish off that last little assessment. Again, your job for today is to take the ABA assessment that's in the folder. It's only on matrices. I think it's 5 or 6 questions. It'll probably take you somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes, but it is scheduled for the full 90 minutes of your class period today. So after you watch this, maybe review your notes a bit and then get that taken care of, and you're done for advanced algebra. Take care of yourselves. I miss you. Have a wonderful summer, and hopefully I will see you in the fall. Thanks.